On se retrouve sur 99 nuits de la vie. En fait, je voulais vous dire vraiment cette histoire. Tu as dit que les enfants qui sont dans ce jeu, c'est même passé dans la réalité, les gars. Bon, il y a ceux qui ont peur, il y a ceux qui n'ont pas peur. Je comprends ceux qui ont peur et ceux qui n'ont pas peur. Mais moi, là, j'ai envie de le faire. Le mode. Ouais. Il est bon. Hein. Qui avait ce truc? Ah. On a 5, oui. Yeah. Ça va bien sous les crunchies. Bon les gars, là on se téléporte sur 99 nuits dans la forêt. Allez-y, on va bien s'amuser là. Et en fait, moi, on va essayer de trouver la tronçonneuse. Comme ça, je bâtis tous les arbres. Bon, ok. Je suis venu en mode cyborg. Johan, pourquoi il m'a demandé un ami? Pourquoi il m'a demandé un ami? Bon, peut-être il va quitter, peut-être. Non, il quitte encore. Bah, les conseils, waouh. Il connaît déjà ma chaîne, j'ai créé une chaîne ou pas? Allez, moi je veux baptiser le feu de camp. Ouais. White. Entre nous, salut, je suis humain et toi, t'es vilain. Moi j'aime plus ton steak.
So bad. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Guys, what the heck did 99nuts Pro just do? Alright, listen, bro, listen. I'm getting too distracted. We gotta lock in. There's enemies here, bro. We gotta pay attention. We gotta get these enemies out of here. I don't wanna die.
Okay.
Wait, did he just do the other one? Wait.
Non, il faut pas dire mauvais moment.
Oh my gosh, guys, I think he just broke every single tree. I don't
Déjà?
even see trees anymore.
Heureusement, la tenue de ce vote est claire. Aïe. C'est tellement gros. Bon, comme je vous laisse là-bas, ça veut dire que là-bas. Comment on mange directement? Ok, l'histoire est... Oh, je vais faire de coster la carte. Bon. Mon but ici, c'est de survivre. Et trouver toutes les forêts. Et tu vois, je vais voir la porte. Oh, pas de pied de lapin, dommage. Bon, deuxième jour. Pourquoi il n'y a pas les... C'est quoi comme chose de deuxième jour? Voilà, dans mon pied.
way he has sheets for a tree base, right? There's no way. Wait a second. You're telling me that you can build a tree base? Does that not take too long? He said, no, follow me. All right, we're headed now. What's he gonna do? Wait, what? I didn't even see him do that. No, bro, you are a wizard. Wait, when did he place these? Oh, I see. Wait, he places them as he's running. Okay, that's still crazy. I'm not gonna. What the heck? It's a perfect circle. Look at this.
Attends, j'ai pas bien compris. C'est là-bas?
Oh my gosh. Guys, this is gonna be the cleanest. Look at it. It's literally
Ouais, je crois que c'est là-bas.
one back to back to back to back. And it's still got a decently long way to go. Look at this. I don't even think it's halfway done. Let's go over here and see. Yeah, bro, it has to get all the way over here. Oh my gosh. But this is gonna be the cleanest base ever, bro. Guys, I've never played with a hacker. And it turns out the first one I played with was actually nice. Oh, I just realized that means that they're all gonna grow in really cool too. Yep, here they go. Look at them all growing in. We gotta follow it. Look at this, bro. It almost grows in faster than I can walk. Just almost. Oh, I'm trapped. I'm literally in tree jail. Wait, did I not get out? Oh, that was a close one, boys. I thought I was in tree jail. Okay, so now that we have the tree base, we have all the mats we could possibly need. What else can we do? I guess the one thing I still need is better stuff. We have all the kids saved. What are the lava base? We can probably go to the lava biome and loot some stuff there. Because we need to get some better stuff. Yeah, like I still have an old sack, bro. This is the longest I've ever had the worst sack in the game. This is by far the craziest game of 99 Nights I have ever played in my entire life. I never knew that hackers could do all this crazy
Ah là, les amis.
just walking around. I have no idea what he's trying to do.
Bon, mieux vaut encore ne pas croiser la route statue. Et oui, c'est ça que nous avons tous les enfants. Notre but en tant que cible. Ah! Il veut ma mort! Non! Non, toi, lâche-moi! Oh mon Dieu! Pourquoi les serait si méchant, ça? En fait, regardez ma position, c'est pas normal ça. Oh là, Malek. Oh, je dois mieux recommencer. Les amis, on attend le recommencement. Oh, trop bon. Alors, mieux vous récupérer.